Let's start with the first lesson in the grade 10 textbook, People, How to Describe People. Alright class, let's watch this.
Hello children, how are you?
Hello uncle, we are fine, thanks.
Hello children, how are you?
Hi, Uncle Angelo. We're great. So good to see you.
Uncle, you seem to have changed.
Really? How?
Uncle, oya venas vela wage?
You don't have your beard anymore. What happened?
Oyage rawula danne. Mokada une?
I decided to shave it off. Ishini, you have changed too.
මම ඒක කපලා දාන්න තීරණය කළා. ඉෂිනි, ඔයත් වෙනස් වෙලා.
Now you have long, wavy hair. It looks very nice.
දැන් ඔයාට දිග රැලි සහිත කොණ්ඩයක් තියෙනවා. ඒක හරිම ලස්සනයි.
Thank you, Uncle. But I like straight hair like Mithini's.
ස්තුතියි මමේ, නමුත් මම මිතිනිගේ වගේ කෙලින් තියෙන කොණ්ඩයකට කැමතියි.
But I don't like my hair. I wish I had wavy hair like yours.
නමුත් මම මගේ කොණ්ඩයට කැමති නැහැ. මෙට ඔයාගේ වගේ රැලි සහිත කොණ්ඩයක් තිබුණා නම් හොඳයි.
Why not, Mithini? You have beautiful straight black hair.
Thank you. I love it. Me too.
I agree. අයි නැත්තේ මිතිනි, ඔයාට ලස්සන කළු කොණ්ඩයක් තියෙනවා.
Who is this gentleman, Uncle? කවුද මේ මහත්තයා මාමේ?
He's my new boss, Mr. Ravi Rajan.
ඒ මගේ අලුත් ලොක්කා රවි රාජන් මහත්තයා.
He is very tall and fair in complexion, isn't he?
එයා හරිම උසයි, පැහැපත් පාටේ නේද?
Yes, he's about 180 centimeters in height.
ඕ, එයා සෙන්ටිමීටර් 180ක් විතර උසයි. What can you tell me about the man in the photograph?
He looks to be middle-aged and well-built.
Excellent, that's correct. එයා මැදිවියේ හොදට උස මහත කෙනෙක් වගේ.
Who is this gentleman, Uncle?
He's my new boss, Mr. Ravi Rajan.
He is very tall and fair in complexion, isn't he?
Yes, he's about 180 centimeters in height.
He looks to be middle-aged and well-built. Look, he has a beard like you did and his hair looks very thick and black.
That's right. And he has a pointed nose and sharp eyes, which makes him look very pleasant. Although he is my boss, he's a very nice man.
channel එක subscribe කරලා, video එක like කරලා, comment එකකුත් දාන්න.